Hey guys, if your toilet is making this noise, I can show you how to fix this in 1 minute or less. Stick around for the solution. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a running toilet. And as you can hear, I haven't flushed this toilet for a couple hours and it's still running. And the problem with the water running like that all day is you're going to be wasting water, which means your water bill is going to be crazy high. From what I've heard, you can waste up to 20 gallons of water a day just letting this run all day. So let's go ahead and fix it. In my case, I know it's a faulty fill valve, and I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily install this without any tools necessary. We're keeping the old bottom of the shank in place, and we're just going to move the white locking collar slightly up to unlock this. And you can pull the whole thing out, and this stays in place at the bottom, so you don't have to disconnect the water underneath. And then this piece just drops on top of the current one, because this one doesn't really go bad. It's usually this top portion up here that goes bad. So with the lid removed, you can see the old fluid fill valve here. This is a FluidMaster 400a, and the water is continually running into the overfill tube. This method that I'm about to show you only works if you had a previous FluidMaster fill valve and you're replacing it with another one. If you have any other brand of a fill valve, you're going to need to replace the whole entire thing. So first thing we need to do is stop the water flow by closing the shutoff valve, and then flush the water down up to the tank so you can start to work on removing the top part of this fill valve. So with the water mostly shut off, we can start to remove the top part of this and pull it all the way out. I can start to pull up on this piece slowly and remove this out of the way. And there we go. So now we can drop in the new one. And then don't forget to set your white locking collar on the bottom. All right, now it's locked in place. So now I'm gonna put the overflow hose back into place, and we are done. All you have to do is turn the water back on and let it fill up, and then you need to adjust the float, which is this black thing right here, and you can do that by adjusting this knob, this gray knob right here, so that the water level is the correct height. If it's overflowed too high, it'll keep running, and if it's too low, you won't have a strong flush. So make sure to set it right to where this line is right here, the water level, and we'll take a look and see where it does. Okay, so I turned the water back on. Let's see what happens. All right, so good news is the fill valve finally stopped filling, and I set the height using this knob to about right where that line is over there. So it'll stop filling just before it hits that overflow hose. Most of the time, guys, if you have an issue where the toilet keeps on filling or running and wasting water, you have to replace this thing, the fill valve. So now that everything's all settled, we can give it a flush. And it will only fill up to that line. So this is how you replace a FluidMaster fill valve for your toilet that's running all day, wasting water. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good afternoon.